Hi everyone, welcome back to another videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing you guys how to make a Sabahan traditional costume of Bobohizan felt doll tutorial. So this is my reference. Let's begin. If you're new here, welcome. In this channel, I'll be sharing with you guys lots of how to make DIY tutorial projects that are super easy to make. If you want to see more great ideas, tutorials and stuff, just subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell button so you don't miss the latest upcoming videos. While watching these tutorial videos, I'll be sharing you a little bit about a Bobohizan. So, a Bobohizan in Kadazan terms or Bobolian in Dusun terms is a high priestess, a ritual specialist and a spirit medium in Kadazan Dusun pagan rites. The office of Bobohizan or Bobolian is also the chief preserver of Mammalianism, the philosophy and way of life of the Kadazan Dusun people. One of the primary roles of a Bobohizan is to appease the rice spirit Bambaazon during the harvest festival or Kaamatan. During the event, she will lead a procession of people from her village through the paddy fields under the full moon to give thanks and to seek a bountiful harvest for the rice cultivating Kadazan Dusun people. A Bobohizan also plays a role as a mediator between the spirits and the people. One of the commonest duties of a Bobohizan is to heal and cure illnesses with herbal remedies and rites. So that's a little bit about the Bobohizan. Not everyone can be a Bobohizan. It's require a high ranking practice in spiritual terms. According to the legend, because of the woman who was brave enough to meet the spirit, all Bobohizan is woman only. Bobohizan plays a pivotal role in the daily life of the Kadazan people before the advance of Christianity. This ranges from appeasing the rice spirit during Kaamatan and Magabao festival, appeasing the skull spirit during the Magang celebration, appeasing and offering sacrifices to the spirit of the sacred jars, Gusi, and to exorcise evil spirits. Bobohizan are also involved in charms, reading omens, and to a lesser extent augury. So while watching this tutorial video, I'll be sharing you a little bit about Sabah, land below the wind, and places where I currently live. So Sabah is a state of Malaysia located on the northern portion of Borneo Island. Sabah culture is diverse due to a wide range of different ethnicity. Every ethnic group in Sabah are known for their traditional music instrument, local cuisine, as well as their traditional costume. Thus, this inspired me to make felt doll tutorial wearing a traditional costume to share with you guys. This felt doll that I make in this video is inspired by the Sabahan's traditional costume in different ethnic groups. Sabah currently has 32 officially recognized ethnic groups that live together harmoniously and at the same time preserving their culture, traditional, and custom. So let me know in the comments below which type of ethnic groups that you want me to create as in DIY tutorial. Like this video if this video inspired you to make your own felt doll wearing traditional costume, yeah? So don't forget to watch until the end of the videos to see the final result. and you're done. So the best part of this project is that it's super easy to create. You can also create lots of it for a souvenir, sell your craft, or as a door gift, and many more. I hope you guys enjoy making and sewing this project as much as I do. Thank you for watching.